Hey everybody, it's Brian here, and yeah, so I'm doing another video for you here about the snow and everything. Yeah, so it's still bad here, folks, really bad, and as you can see, the snow is really piling up. Yeah, so. I mean, somebody did some walking here and everything, and yeah. So I don't know if it's the maintenance guys or what, but yeah, it's really getting bad here and stuff. And just before I came on here to do the video for you, y'all, my lights were like flickering and stuff. Oh, Eric, no, I'm not making no snow angels. Nope. Are you serious, Mark? You didn't take down your Christmas tree until today? You gotta be kidding me. Are you serious? And Eric, I dare you to go outside and and do a video of you making a snow angel. I dare you and John Waller to go outside and do a video of you two making snow angels. All right, so that I would love to see. So, and I can't believe John Waller actually stayed here for this blizzard. So yeah, and if, no I don't. Mark, shut up. I'm not taking my shirt off to dive into this snow. This ain't no friggin' polar plunge here. But yeah, the snow is getting really bad here and stuff. They did confirm that it's a blizzard. The news did confirm that it is a blizzard. And Eric, I know you're not too far from New Bedford, but I heard that Fox 25 News reported that New Bedford has 24 inches of snow. So I don't think this is. I mean, I don't know if we got a foot yet. I mean, it's possible, but yeah, but yeah, the winds are getting a little higher. The snow is like literally like blowing in my face and everything. So yeah, so as I'm gonna try to zoom in on the cars and stuff. I don't know if you can see them or not, but yeah, the cars are like buried and stuff. So yeah, so people are gonna have to get out and do their cars soon and everything. So yeah, so I mean, and look at the mailbox. Let me just show you the mailbox here. Yeah, we got drifting snow on the mailbox and stuff, and I'm gonna try to show you my my windows right there. Those are my windows, like right there, and stuff. Yeah, I mean, snow is like covering my windows, and I can't even see my windows or anything and stuff. And I already got snow on my boots and everything, so gonna get the snow off of these bad boys here. So there we go. Yeah, so yeah, so the wind is still howling and stuff. So yeah. Yeah, okay, Eric, behave yourself. So yeah, so I mean, yeah, so there's a few people that I've spoken to you know, that don't have power and stuff. But yeah, the lights, as you can see, hang on, the lights are still on where I'm at. So for how long? I don't know. I'm hoping they stay on. But yeah, my lights were, like I said, my lights were flickering before I came on out here and stuff. So yeah, so I'm just hoping and praying that, you know, the power, you know, will stay on and everything. But I got to tell you all, I have had it with old man winter and stuff, and yeah. So I mean, I've just had it, y'all. I have really, really have had it. So, yeah. So, yeah. So I'm just hoping and praying that, yeah. I mean, like I said, you know, I'm just done with winter. I'm done with the snow. And yeah, I just want everything to like end and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Like what I mean by I want the snow to end. I want spring to come. You know, as you can tell, I already got my Red Sox hat on, and yeah, I'm ready for Red Sox season to start, man. I'll tell you. So, all right. So anyways, yeah. I mean, I'm just tired of all this white garbage. I'm telling you, I really am. And so yeah, I mean, right now it doesn't seem, you know, windy and stuff, but they say the wind gusts are going to be picking up a little later on. So yeah, so I'm just hoping and praying that, yeah, I'm just hoping and praying that, that, you know, everything will be all right and stuff. So yeah, so all right, well, I'm going to go back, head inside, and I'm gonna try to stay warm as best I can. All right, and I'll try to come out and maybe do another video for you all later and stuff. But I hope you're all safe. I hope you know, for those of you, for my friends watching here in Massachusetts, I hope you're all safe. I hope that you will. I hope that you'll all have power and everything. And I will talk to you all later. All right, have one last look before I go in, y'all.